is your oral health? Are you brushing at least twice a day and flossing at least once a day? Those habits can help you have a beautiful, healthy smile. And here to talk about the benefits of keeping up with your oral health is Dr. Chris Brindamule. He's the Director of Dentistry at Valleywise Health. So great to have you with us. How important is a healthy mouth?
Thanks for having me. It's obviously, I'm going to be preaching to the choir here a little bit when I'm saying this, but a healthy mouth is very important. It's not just about having a beautiful smile. That's obviously a big part of it, but it's having a mouth that's free of pain. It's being able to chew the things that you want to do. But it's also knowing that a healthy mouth affects the rest of your health, that, bad oral health can affect diabetes and heart disease and pregnancy outcomes. It's so much more than just what you see. Like I said, that is a part of it.
Right. What are some of the most common mistakes that you feel people make when it comes to their oral health?
It's really common to assume that just because nothing's actively hurting, that nothing's wrong. It's one of the reasons we really preach preventive care, getting in for regular checkups, seeing your dentist, having a dentist even, that you can go to when there are concerns, when there are questions, because the earlier you're able to catch things, the easier they are to fix, the less expensive they are to fix. The healthier your mouth will be and your body will be.
Yeah. So, what dental services do participating Valleywise Health clinics offer, and do you treat both children and adults?
We do. Valleywise Health treats through the life cycle, I would say. I mean, we see as soon as you have a tooth in your mouth, as young as a year old, all the way through the end of life. It's really important, and we're seeing more and more people keeping their teeth as they age, and there are different needs throughout that life cycle. So having a dentist that can respond to every step of the journey is really important. And we do offer services to patients of all ages.
Yeah, so, and I know this is something else that's important. Valleywise Health really wants to work with patients to ensure that they can receive this kind of dental treatment and service, even if they don't have insurance coverage or they are underinsured, correct?
Absolutely. It's one of the things that I really love working about here is Valleywise is the safety net healthcare system for Maricopa County. We want to serve our community, and that may mean people who don't have the ability, who don't have insurance or the right insurance that some people might say. We do accept both public and private insurances. So we do work with Access, which provides great dental health care for our youth, as well as emergency dental care for our adults. But we do accept private insurances. And for those who don't have insurance, who are underinsured, there is a sliding fee scale or a discount program based on your income levels. So we really do try to work with everyone that we can, because we feel it's very important to be there for our community.
Yeah, do all Valleywise Health locations offer dental services?
So not all of them, and there's so many
Okay.
family health centers and comprehensive health centers throughout the valley, but we have 6 locations in specific that have dental clinics. The rest of them are linked and can refer you within the system. But we do cover everything as far east as Mesa and Chandler, all the way out to Avondale, and then our newest clinic in Peoria. And that one the Peoria clinic just opened earlier this year. It is absolutely gorgeous. It is a comprehensive health center that has family medicine, that has specialty services, including dental. It really is a place where patients in that community can go for most of their health needs.
Oh, that's fantastic. Well, thank you so much. We appreciate your time this morning. And Valleywise Health has multiple locations across the valley. You can find a clinic near you at valleywisehealth.org/locations or call 1-833-855-9973 to book an appointment. You can also visit valleywisehealth.org.